Hi all, I'm with Tyler.
Hello.
Tyler came up today to deliver some 701 parts that he picked up at Zenith. You picked up your, what, fuselage?
Fuselage for the 750 Super Duty.
So Tyler has a 701, but now he's building a Super Duty. So we're in his 701 right now, so I'm going to get some 701 time. So we're enjoying.
Back on the ground after flying with Tyler in the 701. What a blast. Such a great plane. I realized today, I've been trying to set a goal to try to get as much hours as I can in the Zenith aircraft. So right now I have about 60 hours in cruiser time, but mostly all from right seat. Today was the first time I flew a Zenith from the left seat. Boy, what a blast. But again, Tyler, thank you for getting that done for me out there at Zenith. He took my brake pedals back to Zenith so they could weld the co-pilot brake pedals on. And Zenith did that there while Tyler was loading his truck. So when he drove back, he brought the pedals back. So thank you, Zenith, for getting that done so quick. And Tyler for bringing it back down, and especially for all the 701 time. Here are the pedals, and this is what they look like. So they're all welded up. They come with the cylinders, the hardware, the hosing. So, now I have pedals on the right side. My plan in the future is to make my 701 a transitional trainer. So I want to make sure I have workable controls on my side of the plane, the right side of the plane. I'm used to flying from the right side. So I want to make sure I have everything comfortable on my side. So when I do transitional training, that I could be relaxed and know that I could take over anytime on the brakes or the throttle or things of that nature. But to show you an update, what we have done here on the 701 here in the shop, I'll give you a quick tour. Let me flip this around. So we finally got the side panels on. They're all drilled to the sizes they're going to finish. That's on both sides. And we installed the engine mount. And a funny thing, so I laser cut a template of the top skin, the cutouts and all, mainly the cutout. So I would have a template to cut out on the aluminum. So I fit this up here really nice. I was really, really happy with the fitting and the way everything was going to line up before I go and, drill all the holes and do all the cutting on the material. I was really happy with this. So I go to cut the material, and I laid my template on the material wrong, and I cut it wrong. How frustrating is that? I mean, technically, we probably could use the material, and that's what I should do. But I'm going to replace the material. So I gave Zenith a call, and they're going to ship that material out and just redo it. I just like to do it right. So I'm going to have to wait for the material to come in, and then I'll cut it right this time. Trying to start the new year off right. I'm going to try to keep on logging more either 701 time or Zenith time. I'm looking forward to the workshop. The workshop is coming up in February 12th and 13th. Great experience. It's a time that you could come out and ask questions. to Sebastian and Roger. Be a part of the workshop. The experience is really fun. And it was really helpful for us to get started last year. It was the right way to get started. Getting together with a bunch of Zenith guys. Mark and I got together with Alan and Bill Fay. We met them out there in Hondo. And I'm presently still flying with both of them. We've done, the $100 hamburger and some cross country and helping Alan out there with his setup of his autopilot, his AOA. So it's been really fun. So this year I'm going to continue to try to get as much time as I can and see how far we could get the 701 done. I'm really hoping we can have this done by March. I don't know. But it's a tall order, but one step at a time. Well, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update. We'll catch you later.